Hi viewers, welcome to Cyber World Technologies. If you want to get my latest updates first into your mail, please subscribe to my channel and click on this bell icon.
Hello guys, welcome to Cyber World Technologies. And from today, I'm going to start new tutorials about Android app development. And from today, let's start how to develop Android app. So the first requirements for Android app is uh, Android Studio. Let's search for it. Android Studio. Yeah, here this is the Android Studio. Wait. Yeah, here the official website developer.android.com, and this is the Android Studio interface and all. Yes, here Android Studio, where we develop all the code, all the Java code, all the XML. And let's see example. This is my app, and here some XML file. I'm opening some XML file in my app. Let's see, it's loading. This is actual Android Studio. This is installed in my laptop. Wait, it's loading. Yeah, this is actually, there are Android app is designed by two two different codes, that is Java and XML. And Java is used to how Java decides how application works, means working of an application is decided by a Java code. And the XML, coming to XML, yes, XML files decides the design of the user interface, means user interface, how to see. Let's see here, and let's see. This is the interface of my app first screen. Yes, here there are different types of views, layouts, and buttons, text views, scroll views, frame layouts, and these are all named. And the design, the UI which you have seen in the Android app is designed in XML files. So in Android app is a combination of Java code and XML files. And there are many other here string styles. And let's go. Okay, let's talk this about this later. And now let's see here. And there another package called Sdk Tools, where all here see this SDK tools. In these SDK tools are used to run the emulator, means like a, this is only single screen which is only seen only this screen. And if you want to run the whole app in another device, means like like in your phone, means then SDK tools provides an emulator like a mobile device, virtual mobile device. So this emulator, and we will later discuss about that emulator. And now let's see this. And these two are the main requirements for our Android app development. And later here system requirements, and see here Windows. For Windows it requires about minimum Windows 7 and maximum Windows 10, and now Windows is rolling out on Windows 10, so this is the highest version. And even Android Studio is even worked on 32 or 64 bits. There's no problem what the means there's no problem if you had 32 or 64 bits. And RAM, minimum RAM is about 3 GB RAM. So and maximum recommended if you want to means my laptop RAM is I mean 8 GB, so it didn't got struck any time, or any crashings is not recorded till now. So here see 8 GB RAM recommended. So if you can afford a good laptop, you can buy 8 GB RAM. But if you cannot afford that much money, then buy minimum of 3 GB RAM and plus 1 GB for Android emulator, and it takes 1 GB extra. And disk space means storage. You can latest laptops are getting with 1 TB disk space. So this point so there is no problem with disk space. But if you have less than 2 GB, means if your 1 TB is also full, so please make it sure that you have minimum of 2 GB space. And 4 GB recommended, means for good emulator running, means the emulator will if emulator system image, means emulator system is the Android image, like your phone. I said before, virtual Android device. So without crashing, to work without crashing structs, means like when your phone lagging, app laggings, without these, if you want to run without this, then you want to take have 4 GB minimum space, recommended space. Here see recommend 2 GB is minimum and 4 GB is recommended. And minimum screen resolution is 1080 into 800, means nowadays laptops are coming with these minimum resolution, so there is no problem. And for Mac, here you can see same. And yeah, here Mac OS version 10.10 and higher up to 10.13. So and here also 3 GB RAM minimum and 8 GB RAM recommended, and 2 GB minimum disk space, and 1080 into 800 minimum screen resolution. Here is also about Linux, and here you see Linux means minimum same as Windows and Mac. Here Genome or KE desktop Linux. Maximum we work in Windows. Windows is means Windows is the most compatible, and you can work easily. If you can work with Linux or Mac, you can choose these, either one, means you can work any one of these. And yeah, let's download these two requirements, means here Windows 64-bit. For 64-bit, see for after this now, yes, here 64-bit recommended. And don't install this because it is recommended this for a better usage, about 790 MB, and it's for Windows 32-bit. And this version is about is for Mac, and this version is for Linux. And here also SDK tools. And if you're a Windows user, download this and extract and install these. And no need to extract these files. And if you are Mac users, then download this on Linux. If you then here, and now yes, here, yeah, this is called as, here the image, this is called as emulator, means like a virtual Android device in your laptop. Yes, this, and when you run the code, you can also run the code on your real device, but it is recommended to use emulator. That's it. And these are the screenshots. You can visit this. And the main thing, you have an account, or you want to need another website called stackoverflow.com. Here, and in this website, what is this website about? This website is about all the codings. If you have got in the middle, if you have any doubt in the middle, if you stopped anywhere in the code, you can just paste the code, or you can ask any question like this. Here, see here, if you have there are many questions, and you can also answer. If you are a developer, if you are a good developer and you have very good skills in Android developing or Java, and any questions related coding, JavaScript, Java, and yeah, Android development, cloud services, any of the, means any questions regarding coding, programming is asked in this Stack Overflow website. So if you have, it's recommended to create an account, because an account is required for asking questions or answering any questions. And here, what's the main usage? Because there are many forums here, many answers for the questions. And if you have stopped anywhere in this code and in this development, means in your code, if any mistakes, if any errors, if you are getting an error about something, and if you don't know about the error, then you can ask here. You can paste your question here, and anyone can answer the questions. And this is required and recommended for your, and these two. And yeah, you can see, I mean, there are so many questions and there are so many answers which you want to know about coding. If you are getting started with this coding, you want to if you and you want to know you have some questions about coding, and even basic questions and basic answers is available in this Stack Overflow website. And here also, developers, these user guides. Here, we already discussed about this, and Android developer at android.com. And here, this is the user guide, means how to use this debug, how to use, means what are the options in the Android Studio. And we will discuss about in the next coming videos. And let's see about this is an introduction video. Let's see here, installing Android Studio. Yeah, there is a video you can easily understand for Linux. Yes, design, configure the ID and keyboard shortcuts. All the debugging app, write your app, means manage your project, publishing your app. There are, and this is also a very helpful website. And this is the actual website, means the original the actual website for the developers, Android developers. And here the documentation, Android, about Android, build your first app. Let's click here. Yeah, if you are starting it, and here you can go through these websites, and once go through these websites, take our front developer.android.com, and coming to ours, and this is our website, means tutorial websites, and here you can find our web tutorials, and this is for, and later on means ongoing days, and I'm going to develop these website, and this website means you can also get the code done here. This is the first day, so this is the first video I'm telling out how to install Android. So here the tutorial and Android Studio here, and this is, and visit this website. This is our own website, cyberworldtechnologies.co.in, and so, and this is our first introduction video, and I think it is very helpful, means because it is very helpful in your future, because nowadays are coming nowadays, means yeah, nowadays we want, the world is going, our modern day means development of intelligence, artificial intelligence, robotics, and Android development, iOS. We are going on every day. We are developing we are getting developed every day by day. So developing an Android app is required very much, and it's more important for undergraduate students, because uh, all companies the companies are needed now, software developers, app developers, coders, programmers, and if you got the Android app development, or some software development, or web designing, or web development, or if you're means if you have knowledge in any one of this, you can definitely, you can get the job in the fourth year placements, means in your fourth year college placements, and it's very important to code. So now, yeah, here importance of programming. Once go through these, I have written how I have written, and you can also, and if you are not comfortable with my website, you can search for, you can get the codes from here also. I will explain how to get the codes from developer.android.com in the next coming videos, and go through these website and go through these matters, and later on, in coming videos, I update the codes, I put the codes which are developed and which are shown in our videos. So um, yeah, in the in the coming video, we are going to discuss about here. Yes, we completed this installing Android Studio now in this video, and in the next video we're going to discuss about these types of layouts and views, and in the Android Studio, and what are the different types of views and layouts we are going to discuss in the next video. And thanks for watching.